Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I am not entirely sure what I want to do, but I better do it with my glasses on. That's a 10 by 20 inch canvas. My plan starts with adding both some black and white. These caps aren't great. I wish somebody would make a squeezable cap version that you could put on one of these bottles. That would be really, really nice. Do you hear me, Michaels? It's probably not Michaels who produces them, but it seems like it. So I'm just going to spread that white paint across and wish that I hadn't noticed the little divot in the corner of this piece of junk canvas, because I'm going to make the video anyway. I'm just going to wipe off my spatula on the edge and run my finger down it. And I just splattered the heck out of myself. And I'm going to wipe it off again. I'm going to push that bead of paint right up to that white, because I'd like it kind of heavy. And then pull it down. This is an OXO omelet turning spatula for anybody who's new. They're available on the Amazon link. I found them a few years ago now, locally, and that store no longer exists, but I think I might have helped OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas sell about 10 million. I don't know. I'm exaggerating. Anyway, so I just want a wet base, and I'm not afraid to swipe that spatula across and take whatever paint is dripping down. And I am planning on doing a swipe. I am not exactly sure if I'm going to do the swipe I planned on doing to begin with. I'm going to bring this right over to the edge of my tile so I can scrape it off. A little goes a long way with this black. The black is Artist Loft with Walmart semi-gloss latex mix half and half, and then my pouring recipe is underneath the video, and it's the same pouring recipe for the black and white as every other color. And it shouldn't make any difference what happens here. The truth is that I'm really thinking, instead of using acetate or a wet paper towel or a rag, I'm really thinking about using my spatula, because I haven't done exactly this with my spatula in this exact way. And that makes me want to find out how that might work. And what this exact way means, other than the fact that I can always put chain or basting brush in there, is that I've got colors. I've got a lot of gold colors. I don't want anything particularly even. I will be using, I expect, my black enamel, which is also an acrylic. That's copper, not gold. I don't know why I said it was gold. This is a 24 karat gold. Oh, when it comes out, it's another version of the same thing I just started with a little bit of orange added in. This is a bronze, which is similar but not the same. This is a Master, Modern Masters. And I just got a red opal. Oh, there it is. Which is very similar to that one, whichever that one was. I want to put some more of that in there, and I really want to put some of this unattainable deep turquoise, which I think you could use anything. So this is supposed to be my enamel. It is cool. I figure if I start this way and I wipe my paint off in a little dish, then at least I can see. Let me make sure that's completely dry. Usually I leave stuff behind there, but right now that is not the plan. And I am just going to tap that over. So, super simple. Whatever colors you've got, a few or a lot. I think that's pretty classy and pretty simple, and I'm not going to do anything to it. Although I kind of want to dribble stuff across the top and tip it up and tip it down and drag the skewer through it. I'm not going to do that this time. I might be tempted to give it a little tip to see if I can get anything to go down to the bottom. And we might stretch out some of those cells, which would be okay with me. But I like the neutral colors in there. And I love that little tiny bit. I say that. I love that little tiny bit of turquoise showing through. I kind of wish I'd done a little more. But you know what? You can't trust me when I say I'm not going to do something. If I just throw a little bit of that in where I can see that I have canvas showing at the bottom, it might not be the end of the world. This is the lightest touch. This is a butterfly touch, I gotta tell you what. And I like that too, so I'm not sorry. Cool. So I'll show that to you guys, and I'll torch, and I'll say I like the white top. I'm glad I tried this. Got lots of beautiful cells. It's not fancy, it's not got tendrils, it's not got spirals, but there's room for all those things. I could put a piece of chain across the top and pull it all the way up if I had one long enough. I torched to release the bubbles in the paint. I want to say thank you to the people who have donated to keep me painting, especially Joanne in Indiana. Thank you, Joanne. Joanne took care of a month's worth of art supplies and is keeping me here for you. So you all should they say thank you to Joanne also. I love you guys. There's 86,700 of you today. If you shop, if you want to help me out and you're interested in continuing seeing my videos on YouTube, there's an exhibition video on the end of any video that will show you that month's prizes for the drawing. There's PayPal and Patreon icons on my channel header if you want to use them. And when you use them, I will send you a receipt that includes copies of what the month's art in the giveaway are. Yes, I am covering my... I guess I'm just going to use... No, I was going to use some enamel. I guess I am. So, I don't need to. It occurs to me I don't need to because I've got an entire pan of colors. So I'm just going to dip my finger in there. Right where I see I've got a little bit of naked canvas. And then I'm going to be done. So what should I tell you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the contributions. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that like you wouldn't believe. So much. And thank you for being here. Thank you for checking out Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell Art, where there are no commercials. Thank you for looking at 1,360 odd some odd videos on my created playlists. If you go to all playlists, you'll find them. If you're looking for tomorrow's video, you can find it a couple places. One is on my community board on my channel. The other one is in Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Yes, I want to stick my skewer in there. Yes, I do. I'm bad. I just can't keep myself from playing with stuff. Well, that reminds me of a wave I did a long time ago, and I'm really happy with how simple that is. And I'm really happy you guys were here, and I just want to do another painting, and it's time to quit for the day. My email address is under the link tree, along with pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. And if you use my email to contact me for the sale of an artwork, and let me know what the hashtag is from the title of the painting. And if you have questions, please ask, and I'll get back to you in comments. And you can use my email too if you want to. I'll get back to you when I find the time. My website is under there. My Google business page is under there. If you feel like giving me a review, that would be great. Kind of want to put some black at the bottom and push it up. But that's just going to have to be another painting, right? Oh, it's so hard to stop. And this is just perfectly simple, and I like it the way it is too. So I probably wouldn't be sorry, but anyway, I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Thanks for being here and thanks for listening. I love you all dearly. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, wait. I'm sure I forgot something. Look at the Teespring under the video. There's all over print leggings and t-shirts. Bye for now.